Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing here of the Google Pixel 6 and Google Pixel 6 Pro. So as you can see, the Pro version is this one here, is a bit bigger with 6.71 inches display, and this is the regular 6 with 6.4 inches display, and you can recognize them also here on the back because the Pro version have a 48 telezoom camera as well. Okay, let's have a look what else is in the box next to the phones. So we have a USB to USB charging cable. We have an OTG adapter, which one goes from USB type A, so the basic USB, to USB type C. And we have as well some instructions here. So this is just how it works, how to insert a SIM card and so on. I will show you also in another video. Then here we have some safety informations, and we have here the pin to insert the physical SIM card. Same here. The only thing, or the only things we don't have is a power charging adapter. So if you want to buy a power charging adapter, you need one with at least 30 watt, because then you can use the fast charging here at the phone. If it's LED, it is also okay, but then you cannot really use the full fast charging mode. And also there's no headset included, but I think we are used to already, and also no cases or something else. And let's have a look here on the display if there's a plastic film or something like this. No, you need to buy also an own one. Here we will have it again on the table with the Pro or the basic 6 version. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.